So in this video, I'll show you how to get URL requests. So first, you want to go ahead and open CMD on Windows, and for Linux and Macs is terminal. So you want to cd to the location your file is. So since my one is on my desktop, this is my, just copy, and then on the CMD, just cd to that location. And now what we want to do here is you're going to want to create a VNV, which is a virtual environment. So you do that by Python, but for Linux or Mac, you have to add the 3 Python -m VENV and the name of your VNV, which in my case is going to be Python. So you just wait, and you should see a folder here of your VNV created, and it takes a couple of seconds, but once that's done, in my case it's taking a lot of time. What is it? Oh, yep, there. Once it's done, you basically want to clear and then do the name of your VNV, of your virtual environment, slash script. Did we create the script folder? Oh, did I just spell it wrong? Scripts. Oh, you have to do. What was the command? I think it was Python. Oh, yeah, it was Python backslash script backslash activate, and you should get the prefix here. But for Linux or Mac, it's source, the name of your environment. No, but this time you have to do a dot /script /activate, and that would be the command. Now in here we need to pip install, which is installing a package. Now we need to download request. Now once you get that, you should get yep. Once it's successful, don't worry about the version update. Just close CMD, and now what you want to do is you're gonna want to import request, if I can spell that correctly. And now we can set a URL is equal to. So we can just pick a random URL. In this case, maybe we'll go to let's go to eBay. Copy. So basically, what you want to do is just copy the whole URL. Copy. Oh, so we just want to refresh. Copy, and now just in this, just paste the URL. So now what you can do is you can say response is equal to request dot get, and you can say URL. We can also do print just make sure it's not indented. Print you don't want this, you want response dot status code. What's the issue here? What's the issue here? Kilocode. I'm using kilocode here. What is happening here? So anyway, and then since we don't want to take infinitely, we know time out is equal to 10 seconds, we'll do, for example. Then we can just say print response. Just response. We'll save and run. Just clear. Oh, just clear here. Rerun. And you see response is 200, so it connected successfully. Now you can see now instead of what happened. Oh shoot. Sorry. So basically what we can do is here response dot we can return the response. Return response. Response clear. Clear. Now let's do that different. Oh, so it's not printing the response. Copy, paste it in, and let's just quickly rerun this. Oh, this is a problem. Like, I don't know what's wrong with this VS Code. If you save it and then rerun every single time, response is 200. So that's how you get responses. So you can connect now. You can just say responses dot get. So get we can just copy this URL and go into our search, and we can just say your recently items, and then we can just go back and just get that paste, and that should get, so it could find it. So that's how you can, if you create your own website, you can get, so live, let's try livekit.io, copy, let's talk to livekit.io.
Hi there, I'm Haley, your virtual assistant from LiveKit. I'm here to help you explore our voice AI offerings. What are you looking to build?
So we can go to LiveKit. LiveKit. And paste that. And in this case, it should not return 200. Yup, because that's true. It doesn't get your item. Now, if I get talk to LiveKit, or do you find developers? Developers. It should return a status code of 200 because what? Dot get. So, oh yeah, so you don't need the get function. You can just run it like this. So we could find it. And if, so that connection. Now if we create a random URL like .com slash, now if we clear and it, is that a valid URL? What? So it's just that it thinks it's invalid. Let's try dot. Let's try that. If it gives, oh, you forgot to save. I hate this saving. Let's see. Yup, it's correct. .com. Even if we try that now. Now, even if we delete and retry, it's still gonna say no, you can't find at object failed to resolve this URL because it's not. During handling another exposition, it could not find the URL. It just couldn't. It was like, where's the URL? And it couldn't. So this is how you get requests and you get you can get the request from any website if it is there. You can add this into applications. And anyway, and that's the video for today. Hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe, and share the video for more. Bye.